Well, is anybody out there? So, yeah. YouTube. Introducing the illest leaf blower around. Quit my job blowing leaves, telephone bills up I went down. So I'm getting a lot of flack here. Every video I put up, it's got a little bit of music. I mean, it's getting taken down. So you're just gonna have to listen to me and watch my drone videos, because drone videos are way cooler than phone videos. And listening to me is way better than listening to the AM station that you have now been radiovised to listen to with ads. You'll never get no ads from me because I don't care. This shit on YouTube is not gonna ever pay me what I deserve for the time, the effort, the ingenuity, the skill, the windstorm. Yeah, y'all heard what I said, man. 2021 Scag Windstorm, multi-directional, without loss of power, 37 horsepower Vanguard, Briggs and Stratton, EFI. You know, just pushing stuff out your way. I like it a lot. That's my review. This is literally my first yard ever using it, and it's sped up 4 times. I got this because I can't ever get help, and my shoulder was killing me from doing tons and tons and tons of leaf cleanups. And when you know, the first day I bust out the windstorm, two of my buddies want to help. Yeah. So, but literally the most expensive thing I've ever purchased. Excuse me. And I've already got 3 hours on it. I've used it 2 days. But some of the other stuff, you know, I had to mow first. Here I'm going up the road. I got to go up to the main entrance and then cross. I got to go on top of the screen. Is a very heavy traffic road. Maybe not today. Maybe not at this time. But you need all that 10 miles per hour for the V-Ride or the Windstorm. Yeah, my leaf blower does go 10 miles an hour. Yes, that's right. How fast does your 90-10 go? Oh. Okay. But, so yeah. It's making quick work. And this guy just drove all over my... But, it makes super duper quick work. It's a 6-man... I'm about to be showing up here on the top of the screen real quick. It's a 6-man, it does the job of 6 blowers, 6 80-10s. 7,500 CFM, cubic feet per minute. I guess you guys can tell already, this is a video about the windstorm. Yes, that's all I'm talking about. Yes, I know. And it's just one of those things you need to have, and you ain't gonna find one of these used. I don't believe. And they right up there around 13K out the door. So, but in my opinion, It's worth every cent. You know, if you value your time, if your people want their yard looking perfect, almost a little too perfect in my book, but yeah, I'm gonna be, mowing in the summer. Spring or fall, I'll be using the windstorm and mowing, and then plowing in the winter. Gotta love it. Anywho, it was good talking to you guys. Just a little shorty. Have a good one. Peace.